Lesson number 24. Come, let's make numbers. Little friends, you know the numbers 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 23, 33, 93. These are called numbers. We'll learn today that how to create new numbers from digits. Example: 2 and 3 are two digits. Let's learn how to create numbers from these two numbers. If we write 2 before 3, then we get 23. And when we write 3 before 2, then we get 32. Similarly, 5 and 9 are two digits. Let's learn how to create two numbers from these two digits, 5 and 9. From 5 and 9, these two numbers, if we write 5 before 9, we get 59. If we write 9 before 5, we get 95. Let's see one more example. 1 and 4 are two digits. Let's learn how to create two new numbers from these two digits. If we write 1 before 4, we get number 14. And if we write 4 before 1,